Meet the new kid on the block. The user-friendly, home-friendly, and wallet-friendly 3D printer from FlashForge is ready to play. Loaded with easy-to-use features, and designed to be at home in kids' rooms and classrooms, the new FlashForge Finder is the first choice for 3D printing novices and educators. Beginners benefit from the slide-in build plate, assisted bed leveling, and intuitive color touchscreen. And parents and teachers appreciate its quiet and safe operation. The Finder uses only non-toxic PLA, and the heated components are safely encased. The creative world of 3D printing awaits, and the FlashForge Finder is here to show you the way. Finder Quick Start Guide, Finder 3D Printer, 1 roll of 600 G PLA filament, color randomly selected. 1 sheet of platform sticker, already installed on the glass plate before packing. Power cable, USB cable, filament guide tube, USB stick, contains electronic user guide, software flash print, printing technology, FFF, fused filament fabrication, build volume, 140L x 140W x 140H mm layer resolution, 100 to 500 microns positioning precision, 11 microns on X and Y and 2.5 microns on Z filament diameter, 1.75 mm nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm frame and body, plastic and alloy extruder quantity, 1 product dimension, 420 x 420 x 420 mm shipping dimension, 500 x 500 x 540 mm. Product weight, 16 kg shipping weight, 28 kg software, flash print file type, STL, OBJ operating systems, Windows 7/8/ Vista Mac OS X printing via Wi-Fi, USB cableï USB stick and cloud language support, English/Chinese AC input, 115V 230V, 50 Hz 60 Hz, 100W printing material, PLA only. From the manufacturer FlashForge 3D printers, new model, Finder Intelligent Assisted Leveling System. More precise and easier calibration. Finder features an intuitive calibration detection system to assist leveling. You are directed to tighten or loosen leveling screws until a beeper barely sounds, then it detects the distance between nozzle and build plate to verify whether your leveling is at the right position. Once the first location is leveled, you redirected to next 2 screw locations accordingly with same operation. In this whole process, you well instructed with clear messages on the touchscreen display. And all of these make calibration much easier and more precise than before. Operation is easy. Just like your smartphone. Finder sports a 3.5-inch HD IPS touchscreen right at the top of the printer with big, easy-to-understand controls. Only 4 taps to start your print, no need to hook it up to your computer. See previews of model files and you know that is what you want to print. Real-time view printing status and you know when it will be finished. Built-in multiple languages compatibility including English, German, French, Dutch, Polski, Korean and Japanese is added to its ease of use. Second generation wireless connection. More stable. Finder features the second generation Wi-Fi connection with more stable wireless file transmission. And now you can send 3D files from your computer to. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.